my concern generally in this regard is the subjectivity of this. And this is something that's come up in discussions around things like that. There's a difference between profanity, for example, and tone of voice, which would be profanity is pretty clear, but tone of voice is subjective. And from discussions that I've had with the community, is that they're concerned that we are becoming to the point of rights, the freedom of speech is being impeded through these kinds of terms. So I'm concerned about that and the subjectivity of this particular item. And I don't know if I'm alone in my concern about that, but it's certainly something that's been expressed to me. And I believe, Councillor Carr, this is your suggestion. Are we allowed to have discussion between ourselves?
Okay, thank you, Councillor Hardwick. Councillor Carr.
Yes, thank you. If I can just clarify that improper conduct is different from the additional language I put in where a chair rules on a point of order. So a point of order has the language you're talking about, which is not by manner of speaking or gesticulation or whatever, impugning the motives, that language, which I added back in, which had been in the bylaw, or is in the bylaw right now, has to do with somebody raising a point of order against another councillor. Or citing the behavior of another councillor. Regarding the public, it is the improper conduct that determines whether or not, for example, a member of the public can be expelled. The language for that is quite different, and it's in the definitions part of the bylaw, and I'm going to just go over it for you. It's to use or promote the use of expression that is obscene, promotes hatred or violence, or is defamatory, engaging in action which threatens, obstructs, or injures another person, or refuses to follow the directions of the chair. So those are two different sections of this bylaw.